everyone! Hello mga trops! Hello sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening. So, syempre hindi ko naman alam kung kailan nyo mapapanood itong video, kaya ubusin na natin para kompleto, di ba? Anyway, content of today's video is about long division of polynomials. Naisipan ko siyang gawin kasi merong mga nagre-request sa akin, mga dati kong estudyante, may former students. Sabi nila, why not gawan ko daw ng video? So sabi ko, sige, anyway, I don't have anything to do naman. So, yun na lang yung content ng video ko for today. Yung mga natatakot dyan, worry no more. Kasi mas madali lang ito. You just need to finish the video para alam mo na. And, for your information, ang video po or yung ginamit kong equations ay complex. Meron akong example of using two variables, the a and the b. Paano mag-solve or paano i-divide si polynomial sa long division process na may dalawang variable. And yung may missing exponents. Paano yun gawin? So, nandito yun sa video nito. Ako sa iyo, tapusin mo ito para mas magets mo at alam mo na kung ano yung sasagot sa mga modules mo. Okay. So, pag sinabing mathematics kasi, hindi siya yung kagaya ng other subjects na basahin mo lang or i-browse mo lang, meron ka na agad na idea. No. Sa mathematics, kailangan naririnig mo siya at nakikita mo siya. Okay? Paano ginagawa si process? Para mas makuha mo or mas magets mo agad. Para ma-solve mo rin yung mga problems mo. So, I just hope, tune in dito lang sa aking video. Tapusin mo para alam mo na agad yung susulat mo or yung isasagot mo sa mga modules mo. So, tara. Try na natin i-solve yung ibang equations. Let's go! Okay. So, how to solve or divide polynomials na ganito ang itsura. Look at this one. We have 36a squared minus 43ab minus 35b squared. So what I'm telling is, paano kung dalawa yung variable na ginamit? You have the a and the b. Paano siya isosolve using long division? Okay. So kung gusto mong malaman, panoorin mo ang video to at tapusin mo. Okay, so let's start. So, una, gawin mo muna siyang ganito. Kasi nga, long division tayo. So, ibig sabihin, dapat nakaganito siyang form. So, let's start. You have, first, 36a squared divided by 9a. So, para hindi ka mahirapan, isa-isahin natin. 36 divided by 9. You have 4. So, you have 4. Isusulat mo yung 4 dun sa taas ng pangalawang number or digit. Okay? Next. Since tapos ka na sa number, you already divided the number, sunod mo naman yung variable. So, 9 squared divided, a squared divided by a. Ganito lang yan. Pag magde-divide ka ng variables with exponent, kailangan mo lang i-subtract yung exponent. So, you have 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. So, since 1 lang naman siya, ibig sabihin, just copy a. Again, if you are dividing variables with exponent, i-subtract mo lang yung exponent. So, 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. Kaya naging a. Okay? Next. So, let's go down. 4 times 9, you have 36. You have 36. Next, a times a. So, kanina, pag divide, you need to subtract. Pag multiply, you need to add. So, 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. Okay? Next. So, para magkaroon ito ng laman. 4 times 5, you have 20. A times B. Hindi pwedeng A lang, hindi rin pwedeng B lang. So what you need to do, copy both. So you have A and B. Ano magiging operation dito? Since parehas sila positive, therefore, ang lalagay mo dyan ay plus sign. Pero dito sa gilid, okay, when you are solving using the long division, ang nasa gilid po niyan ay palaging subtraction. Okay, nag-change sign na lang, depende. So, kung ako sa inyo, pwede niyong isulat once na nag-change sign or pwede rin sa isipin na lang din. So, kagaya lang nito. Ito muna. 36a squared minus 36a squared, the answer is 0. So, don't need to put 0. Just leave it blank. You have negative 43ab minus 20ab. Okay? Yung iba, nasanay na sa change sign, hindi na kailangan isulat pa. So, yung iba naman na hindi, ganito po ang magiging itsura niyan. You have negative 43 minus 20. So, positive ito. Yung change sign na sinasabi ko, magiging siyang 43 minus 20. From positive, naging ng negative. Okay? So, negative 43 minus 20ab. The answer is negative 43 minus 20. You have 63. Negative. Okay? So, you have negative 63. Hindi mo naman yan iso-subtract na variable. Instead, you just need to copy. Okay? So, you have negative 63ab. Bring down negative 35b squared. Okay. Next. 63, negative 63 rather, divided by 9. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag nagde-divide tayo, hindi natin ito ginagalaw. Okay, hindi nyo po yan gagalawin. Ito lang ang papansinin nyo, yung nauna. Kasi ito, gagamitin lang natin siya pag bababa ka na. Okay, pagkukumplituhin mo na. So, in short, yung katabi ni 9a na si 5b yung kukumpleto sa equation mo sa baba. Okay, so hindi mo siya gagalawin. Pag divide, aakyat ka, ang kailangan mo lang tingnan, itong nauna at ito. Okay po, yun yung ilalagay mo dito ng sagot. Pero pag bababa ka na, that is the time, gagamitin mo na ito, si 5b, para makompleto yung equation mo dito. So, without 5b, hindi makukompleto sa equation mo dito sa baba. Kailangan kumpletuhin natin. Okay? Anyway, let us proceed. So, negative 63 divided by 9, the answer is 7. Since negative 63, di ba, any number you divide with opposite sign, the answer is negative. Okay? So, you have negative 7. Next, ano naman yung kasama niyang variable? Look at this one. You have a and b. Dito, a lang. So, like what I've said a while ago, kung pag nagde-divide ka ng variable with exponent, so pag magde-divide ka ng variable with exponent, ang kailangan mo lang ay i-subtract si exponent. Ano ang exponent ni a? 1. Okay? 1 po. 1. Invisible. Pag 1 kasi ang exponent or coefficient, lagi yang invisible. So, nawawala si 1. Pero, sa mga katulad natin nag-aaral ng math, okay. So, sa mga gustong mag-aral ng math, always remember na ang isang variable, meron lagi yung coefficient. And that is 1. Invisible, 1. Okay po. Then, meron din siyang exponent, which is also 1. Invisible din. So, proceed tayo. We have a divided by a. So, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, the answer is 0. So, ibig sabihin, since 0 na siya, wag mo nang isulat si a. Ang natira na lang ay si b. Okay. So, next. Negative 7 times 9, you have negative 63. b times a, pagsamahin mo na lang. a, b. Okay? Negative 7 times 5, you have negative 35. b times b, b squared. Kasi 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, subtraction. So, minus ito, is negative pa ito. So, therefore, magiging plus. Okay? Ito ay magiging positive na rin. Change sign. Pero dito lang ha. Okay? So, you have 63 plus, negative 63 rather, plus 63. The answer is 0 kasi cancelled out. Same with this 2. Wala na yan. How about this one? Ganun din. Change the sign din. Positive. Magiging rin ito. Positive. 35. Negative 35b squared plus 35b squared. You have 0. So, ibig sabihin, 0 na yan. Wala ka na rin namang natitira doon na ibababa. Therefore, the answer is 4a minus 7b. If you want to check, use FOIL method. Okay, so let's check using FOIL method. So we have 9a plus 5b. Okay, ito yung kanina. And the answer, we have 4a minus 7b. FOIL method, ibig sabihin, first, outer, inner, last. So, 9a times 4a, you have 36a squared. Okay, first. Sunod, outer. So, outer, 9a times negative 7b. You have negative 63ab. Kasi a, b. Next, inner, yung nasa loob. 5b times 4a. You have positive 20ab. Then, last, 5b times negative 7b. You have negative 35b squared. Kasi b, di ba 1? Then b, you have 1. Kaya b times b is b squared. Next, let's simplify. Wala namang kasama or walang kaparehas si a squared. So, ibig sabihin, you just need to copy 36a squared. Look at this one. Magkaparehas sila ng variable. So, yun yung sinasabi kong simplify. Kailangan pag-isahin natin sila. So, para mapag-isa, kailangan natin gawin si operation. Negative 63ab plus 20ab, you have negative 43ab. Paano naging negative 43ab? Kasi mas mataas po si 63. Diba? The sign of 63 is negative. So, instead of doing addition, ang gagawin mo ay subtraction. Magkaiba kasi yung sign nila. Then, copy the sign. Copy the sign ng may ng mataas na number. And that is 63. Kaya negative 43. Copy this variable. Okay? You have AB. Then, wala rin kapareha si B squared. So, you just need to copy. You have negative 35B squared. This is now the answer. Now, let's see kung itong 36a squared minus 43ab minus 35b squared ay yung equation natin kanina. Na dinivide natin sa 9a plus 5b. Okay, so as you can see, parehas. You have 36a squared minus 43ab minus 35b squared. Divide by 9a plus 5b. Therefore, tama yung sagot natin. This is correct. Okay, now what if ganito yung binigay sa inyo? X raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Paano nga ba naman yan gawin in long division? Bibigay ko muna sa 5. Hindi mo po isusulat si negative 1 agad. Hindi pwede yun kasi kailangan kompleto yung exponent. So, dapat umabot si 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay po. Hindi pwedeng isunod mo si minus 1. Mali yun. Mali yung makukuha mong sagot. So, dapat makompleto mo si exponent. So, para magawa yun, ganito. You have x raised to 5 plus, kasi kailangan mo magdagdag. Diba? Magdadagdag tayo para makompleto natin yung exponent. Okay. So, anong idadagdag natin? Okay, you add 0x raised to 4. Raised to 4 kasi nga dapat ang sunod kay 5 ay 4. Then followed by 3, by 2, and 1. Ngayon, bakit 0? Pag hindi kasi natin linagyan ng 0, si x, ibig sabihin yan, ang variable niyan ay invisible 1. So, hindi po pwede siyang magkaroon ng invisible 1. Kaya nilagyan natin ng 0 para alam natin na walang value yung nandito. Okay? So, next, 4, we have plus 0x raised to 3 plus 0x squared plus 0x, then, ito na, minus 1. Again, pag ganito ang equation, hindi pwede na magpagtabihin mo agad sila. Kailangan kumpleto yung exponent. Para makumpleto si exponent, you add 0x. Then, ano yung susunod? Since 5 yung nasa unahan natin, ang susunod ay 4. Down to 1. Ano po? 0 kasi hindi siya pwedeng. Okay. So, let us now divide. X raised to 5 divided by x. Again, di ba sinabi ko, pag division of variables with exponent, you just need to subtract. So, 5 minus 1, you have x raised to 4. Tatapat siya ng, okay, exponent na mayroon ding 4. Po, para hindi nakakalito. Next, x raised to 4. Okay. So, x raised to 4 times x. So, add mo lang, 4 plus 1, you have x raised to 5. Next, x raised to 4 times negative 1, you have negative x raised to 4. Ang operation natin dito ay subtraction. Okay, so, x raised to 5 minus x raised to 5, 0. No need to put 0, just leave it blank. Next, 0x raised to 4 minus negative x raised to 4. So, since pare sila minus, magiging na siyang plus. Okay, change sign. Kaya ang mangyayari, 0x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4, the answer is x raised to 4. Paano nangyari yan? Ganito yan. You have, okay, 0x raised to 4 minus negative x raised to 4. Kagaya sinabi ko sa inyo, subtraction ito, minus ito, so magiging siyang plus. Kaya change sign. Subtraction, magiging addition. Ito, si negative, magiging positive. Okay po, so 0, di ba ang coefficient nito ay 1. Meron siyang invisible 1. 0 plus 1, the answer is 1. Then, you just need to copy x raised to 4. Okay? Pero, hindi mo isusulat si 1x raised to 4. Kasi pag 1 ang coefficient, gagawin mo yung invisible. So, gagawin natin siyang invisible. Kaya, instead of writing 1x raised to 4, naging na lang po siyang x raised to 4. Meron lang dito si invisible 1. Gets? Okay, proceed tayo. So, yan. Bring down. Plus 0x cubed. Okay, divide. X raised to 4 divided by x. So, 4 minus 1, you have 3. Kaya, positive. So, plus x cubed. Baba ka na. X cubed times x, you have x raised to 4. X cubed times negative 1, you have negative x cubed. Subtraction. So, as kung makikita nyo, as you can observe this one, parehas lang sila dito. So, hindi ko na po ito gagawin. Okay? Pares lang naman. So, isipin nyo na lang change sign. Kaya, ibig sabihin, sa 0x cubed minus negative x cubed, the answer is x cubed. Then, bring down 0x squared. Okay? So, x cubed divided by x, you have positive x squared. X squared times x, you have x cubed. Then x squared times 1, negative 1, you have negative x squared. Okay? Same process. So, ibig sabihin, matitira natin dito ay x squared. Bring down. Plus 0x. So, x squared divided by x, 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. You have, matitira na lang ay x. X times x. You have x squared. X times negative 1, you have negative x. Okay? So, same process. Okay po. So, parehas yung process. You have x. Then, bring down the last digit. You have negative 1. X divided by x. So, 1. Po. X divided by x. Ilan? What do you think? You have x divided by x. The answer is 1. Okay? Okay. Yung iba iisipin, 1 minus 1, you have 0. And any number or any variable you raise to 0, the answer is 1. Okay po. Again, any number or any variable raised to 0. So, any number or variable raised to 0, the answer is always 1. So, we have plus 1. Now, 1 times x, you have x. And 1 times 1, you have negative 1. Okay? Then, subtract. So, change sign. Kaya magiging siyang plus. Negative 1 plus 1, the answer is 0. Therefore, ang sagot sa equation ay x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus x squared plus x plus 1. So, kung kailangan nyo ulit alamin kung tama yung sagot, again, just do the FOIL method. So, hindi ko na po siya ipapakita. Kasi pinakita ko na siya dun sa naunang video. I mean, kanina lang. Okay po. So, just follow it para makuha niyo yung sagot. Ayan. So, that's it. That's for our tutorial for today. So, kung meron kayong suggestions, comments, do not forget to write it in the comment box. Or, you can PM me sa aking account po. Ang aking account ay Sam the Guy. PM nyo lang yan. Okay, so, sana nakatulong si Miss Sam. Sana nakatulong sa inyo para mas madali niyong maintindihan si long division at hindi na kayo matakot na isolve yung polynomial equations using the long division process. So, sa susunod ulit, do not forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye!